lovelies, you're welcome to Cassia Naturals, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make moringa oil from fresh leaves for hair growth, for thinning hair, hair loss, and just growing, improving your overall health. So like I've just plucked fresh tender leaves of moringa. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and give this video a like. And thank you so much to my 407 subscribers. If you are new on my channel, click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. And to my viewers, I appreciate you so much for watching my videos. So now at this point, we are going to wash our moringa leaves. As you can see, like they are very tender and very fresh. So actually, I did a video 1 year ago how you can make infused moringa oil. I'll link that video in the description box below so that you can check it out. It's so different from this one. So friends, like of course, there's no debating that moisturizing oils are an important pillar of any hair or skin routine. You are likely heard all about jojoba, argan, and even perhaps praxi oil. But what about moringa oil? So moringa oil actually is pretty dense, rich fatty oil with a soft peanut earth scent, and has become a hot new commodity of those seeking out natural hair care ingredients. But given all of the hair oils out there, we can't help but wonder what makes moringa deserving of our attention and a place in our hair care regimen. So to get all these facts, friends, like continue watching these videos because I'm going to tell you all about it. So I had to strain the oil to remove the water because you don't want any water in your oil. So I had to put it under a strainer so that we could remove all the water. So we're also going to use some grapeseed oil. So you can use any oil that you have. So grapeseed oil has is high in omega-6 fatty acids. The oil can be used in hair and on the skin as part of your beauty regimen. And you have to make sure that you buy cold press oil. So this is cold press oil because it has a lot of nutrients and vitamins. So grapeseed oil also has a high smoke point. So that's the reason why I'm going for it. So now we are pouring our leaves in a blender. So we are going to blend it. So friends, like if you blend and then it doesn't blend well, you can add the oil of your choice. So I added grapeseed oil. So moringa is a multi-purpose oil dating back thousands of years that has been used in everything from skincare to cooking. So it's derived, of course, there is moringa. You can extract from moringa seeds. That is actually done technically, but even leaves, they do work well. So moringa oil is a hydrator and it has anti-inflammatory properties. So many benefits that it moisturizes, strengthens, and protects hair. Who should use it? It's good for dry, brittle, or colored hair. So you can use this oil like weekly, as often as you would like. And it also works well with other carrier oils, and it's less potent and assists with absorption. So that is how it looks like, after blending it. It looks so lovely. So make sure that you put it on low heat setting. So moringa oil is chock full of the good stuff, meaning fatty acids, nutrients, and antioxidants. Because of its own never-ending list of benefits for the hair, skin, and body, moringa oil is a popular ingredient in cosmetics and dermatology. It stimulates a healthy scalp. Moringa oil's standout property is its concentration of monosaturated fats made up mostly of oleic acid. This type of fatty acid is excellent for cleansing the scalp while protecting its moisture levels. Moringa oil also promotes hair growth. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which locks in moisture and protect hair growth. It promotes hair growth. It also strengthens hair. The high protein content of moringa oil can also help restructure your hair and strengthen it. It has zinc that helps with keratin production, and this helps strengthen hair. So make sure that you press against the strainer so that you extract more oil. Moringa will also improve shine and elasticity. Moringa oil can revitalize dull, brittle strands. It's also a natural conditioner for shiny and bouncy hair, thanks to having one of the highest naturally occurring behenic acid levels, a common ingredient in conditioners. So it also hydrates and protects. So like Moringa will protect your strands against sun damage and color depletion. It also reverses damage. Like Moringa is packed with amino acids which help repair split ends. So friends, that is how the oil looks like. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in the section below, and share this video to groups and to friends who may think they can benefit. So while like any hair type can benefit from Moringa, or those with dry or damaged strands will reap the most rewards. It's also a great option for those with color treated tresses. And in case you have got sensitive skin, scalp included, that shouldn't deter you from trying this natural oil. In fact, Moringa oil is generally not an irritable oil, and due to its anti-inflammatory properties, help inflamed skin. So how can you use this oil? How can you use Moringa oil? So thanks to Moringa's deep conditioning benefits, it can be incorporated into your routine as a treatment for both hair and scalp. Just keep in mind, as with most oils, Moringa oil can be difficult to rinse out if left reapplied on the hair and scalp for an extended period of time. So try it as a scalp treatment. Not only do scalp massages feel good, but as it turns out, they are also good for you. So Moringa oil can be used for scalp massages to fight against dandruff or flaky scalp. So Moringa oil works well when massaged into the scalp. It has anti-inflammatory properties to help with scalp scaling and moisturizes well. You can also use it as a weekly hot oil treatment depending on how your regimen is. So this is also one of the most effective ways on how to use this Moringa oil. You can also use it to seal in the moisture. Like that's how I'll be using it. It has quite a number of uses, friends. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. So friends, like I really appreciate you guys, for watching my videos and for subscribing and, for commenting. Comment in the section below how you use Moringa oil, or you are going to try out this method, or which kind of method do you use to make your own DIY Moringa oil. So like I'm super excited. I love that green color, natural color. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.